bag of memories, my only luggage. I'm trying to travel like the way I love it. I never really care about the distance. I let the music guide me, be my mistress. In all the places I have seen, they all felt like a home.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome back to another clean and decorate with me video. Today I will be taking down my fall decorations. This is the last area of my house that I need to take down the fall and put away. I am so excited to start my Christmas decorating videos next week, so you are going to want to hit that red subscribe button right now if you haven't already. You're not going to want to miss any of those videos. I am so excited to share my ideas with you guys.
And the music has taken me far, just me and my guitar.
So the first thing that I will do is just take everything fall related down, and then I'm going to put them in these plastic bins. I love using the plastic bins because they are very easily stackable and you can see through them, and I just place these in my garage. And I like to use these for any type of seasonal decor, or if I'm using like bins for Christmas and they aren't the clear plastic bins, I use like the green bins with the red lids, so I kind of know what's in them.
And all the girls are calling me the one who got away, got a song.
So I really wanted to keep everything very neutral in here, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to put in this large frame that I have by my bed. So I thought I would just go ahead and put this really pretty floral print there for now. I'm probably going to switch it out once I start my Christmas decorating. I'm not sure if I want to add a beautiful quote in here, or if I want to make another floral wreath to put in here. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I wanted to keep it very simple, and I felt like that picture looked perfect.
Like a bird, flying free, flying higher, round the world, more to see, the limit is the sky. I've been soaking up the sun and I've been walking through the rain, started singing just for fun, sometimes to take away the pain. I've been dancing in the moonlight, slept underneath the stars, and the music has taken me far, just me and my guitar, me and my guitar. Ooh, just me and my guitar. I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So now that I have my bed made, I am just going to finish putting everything away, and then I will start dusting my nightstands and my dresser. And for that, I will be using the Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner. This is in the Bulgarian Rose. It smells amazing. Unfortunately, I can't find this in the stores anywhere, but this is a wonderful scent. It smells really fresh and clean. It just smells super, super good. And then over here, I'm going to set up my diffuser, and I am going to diffuse rose and jasmine scents. And these are by my favorite brand. They are by the brand Woolsies. This is not a sponsored video in any way by them. I just love this brand. I talk about them all the time on my Instagram, and I do purchase these either from Amazon or at Marshall's or Home Goods, TJ Maxx. They all sell them.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without
normally don't use my vacuum to suck up all the dust that sits on this table, but for some reason it was extremely dusty, so I decided to run the vacuum over it really quickly before I used my furniture polish. And then while I had the vacuum out, I realized how dusty the windowsill was as well, and I decided to just quickly clean up all of that dirt that was sitting there. Today I will be using some Scott's Liquid Gold in an almond scent. I love the scent. It smells really good. I normally use Method Wood for Good in the almond scent, but I keep that downstairs, and this is what I keep upstairs. So that is what I'm using today. So now I'm going to head on into the master bathroom. This bathroom was a disaster. I had so much stuff on my counters. I'm just going to put everything away really quickly and then throw out the trash and all that stuff. Now that I have everything put away, I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. I will start by cleaning the mirrors in here, and I will be using the Method Mint Scented Mirror and Window Cleaner. I am just about out of this, and hopefully I can find some more. I do really like this, and it has a fresh scent to it as well. This feeling is the worst of things, just let me go and let me in. So I really wanted to keep the decor very neutral in here as well. I did find this little quote at Home Goods not too long ago. It says, "I am going to love you forever and ever," and I thought it would look perfect between the two mirrors in here, and it was just a friendly reminder to see every morning when you get up. You're right, be nice, be nice. Why are you even here? Where do you wanna be? I wanna disappear. So now I'm going to be cleaning off my countertops and inside the sinks in here, and for that I will be using the same cleaner that I use to dust my furniture in the master bedroom. It is the Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner in the Bulgarian rose scent. Tell the truth, just spit it out. This feeling is the worst of things, just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. This feeling is the worst of things, just let me go and let me in. So over here I have this little shelf that kind of sits on the wall right by my bathtub, and I wanted to add some really pretty soft flowy type of greenery. I thought this was perfect. It had the green in there with the subtle hints of white. I think they're like little white berries on there. I can't remember if I found that at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then I thought it would look perfect if I just added a few florals in there to kind of finish everything, and I think it looks perfect. I love how relaxing everything looks. I am so in love with neutrals right now. I am thinking about going with a flocked Christmas tree this year, and I really want to make it kind of like monochromatic with like whites. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I really want to keep my Christmas decor in my family room very, very neutral. That room downstairs is extremely small, and I feel like the more solid colors and like bold colors you use in small rooms, it really makes it feel really crowded, and I just want to avoid that this year.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination.
So by the time I finished cleaning, it was dark outside, it was late, and my back was killing me. So I thought I would relax in a hot bath, and it felt absolutely amazing. And I'm going to end the video here. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation. I hope it gave you some decorating ideas. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button if you are new. I am going to have so many fun and exciting, inspirational Christmas decorating videos coming up. I don't want you to miss any of those. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all. 'Cause I could not bring myself to try.